Hey, hello guys. So here we are with the OMPHOBBY M2 helicopter. After I actually crashed it and rebuilt it in some parts and replaced some others. So I was doing a backwards loop and the tail blow out on me. Then of course I crashed because it was really a speedy one and I had no chance to recover. So be aware that the tail might blow out on you if you're doing this kind of moves. It didn't blow out in any other move, but I was surprised by this and then I crashed. The damage that I had was the servo horns were broken, the feathering shaft and the main shaft, and the tail boom. All the other parts except the tail boom, they come with the helicopter as spares, so I could easily replace them. But then the tail boom I had to buy from a local hobby shop store, carbon rod, yeah, and 8mm size. The original boom is 9mm, but I couldn't find that size, and then I cut it into length and then just replaced it, and it works well. I had to put some electrical tape here to get to this size, but other than that it works well. Yeah, so blades were fine. I mean, I was amazed that the main blades were not affected by the crash. Canopy, it's still usable, so it is what it is, but I'm not gonna replace it. It's like 20 bucks or so it doesn't really worth replacing it. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a flight to see how it works after this this crash and rebuild.